Installing interior finish panels on the floor and both sides. Install the bottom panel, making sure the arrow points toward the back of the cellar. Press firmly until all clips snap securely into place. Loosen the screws on the IsoCase corner posts and, using a support prop clamp, gently open the IsoCase to make it easier to slide the panel in. Insert the side panel so that the finish side faces the front of the cellar and the panel rests properly against the back panel. Once the panel is in position, remove the support prop clamp. Then retighten the screws on the IsoCase corner posts.